Hey guys, how's it going? It's your boy Kaiwen Wee. Right, most of you'll be wondering, Kaiwen, what the fuck are you doing up this early? Quite frankly, I don't know. Well, had to get up this morning. I mean, it's only just barely 10 o'clock in the morning. Had to get up this morning, make sure my nephew got off to school alright. And then, went to go back to bed. And my little black cat woke us up because she caught a mouse. Yeah. And so, bird in a live drop, so I get carried around with us, and yeah, I brought her over to this place which is the Hetton Lions Country Park, and quite frankly, I've come over and I've quite frankly seen all the destruction that the high wind that we had the other day has done. And quite honestly, nature is a scary thing, like, especially when she gets going. I mean, I'm looking around. I mean, look, that's a part of what she's done. And then looking at the ground, that's all the what's falling off the trees. And then we've got that literal trees being uprooted and whatnot. You know, I mean, that's like the devastation of nature. You know, when she gets pissed off and that. And quite frankly, us humans, we are definitely doing something wrong. Like, definitely killing off the planet when we shouldn't be. Oh, that was a climb out, like climbing over destroyed trees or uprooted trees. I mean, yeah, there is some destroyed trees and all, like, but with all the nature, you've got all that as well. You've got the beauty of the living. And yeah, as you're saying, we've also got snow. Bastard snow. There's more destruction there from the wind from the other day. Just like I says, that's the power of Mother Nature. Right? Bushes. Oh, get off me! They're not bushes like the trees. It's a tree. It is a tree that's been destroyed by the wind. Anyway, continuing my little adventure. I mean, yes, I am sorry that I haven't been posting videos lately. I mean, yeah, I did lose my job, which has put us in a bad state of depression and that. I mean, it's the case of, like, I haven't been able to sleep properly on the night and struggling to get myself up on the morning. I mean, you know how it comes on, you get depression really bad. And yes, I'm outside as well. So it's like the anxiety and all that, especially when people are walking around, especially when I haven't, like, I haven't done before. I have released a couple of videos outside and not where there's people, so I'm not used to that either. And all that. Gotta get used to it someday, like, don't I? And yeah, we've got the seagulls flying around, making a noise. Noisy bastards. And yes, I'm without a cup now because that's supposed to let me hair breathe now. I mean, my hair's thinning to start with as well. Got people walking around with the dogs. Me walking around with my phone in my hand, as usual. But yeah, the only reason I'm out, like I says, had a mousey problem. Little black cat caught a mouse this morning. Started killing it. Honestly, she's a nasty little bastard. Like, instead of catching them, killing them, and, you know, allowing us to dispose of them that way, she doesn't. She likes to catch them, release them again, just so she can go and catch it again. Things just all for the thrill of the hunt, and then kill them. You know. But yeah, that's why I'm out here. It is why I'm out here. letting a trap mouse go, saving its life, because you know all life is precious. And it was a cute little thing, and I couldn't hurt that. I mean, yeah, with the depression and all that, it sucks. It really does. I mean, that's why I probably look the way I do now, tired and all that. Because not being able to sleep properly on the night, and then struggling to get up in the morning. I mean, last night I think I only had like, what, about 3-4 hours sleep. But, so it's all. I mean, anybody else who's got problems, you know, you can always come and talk to me. I'm always there to lend an ear. I'm always there to lend an ear, because obviously I've been through it before, I'm going through it now. And nobody should be alone. Nobody should be alone going through this shit. I mean, it's stupid. I mean, it's not stupid like what it is, but it's not at the same time. I mean, it's like the sort of thing that gets overlooked by everybody. I mean, especially men. And, you know, they get told to man up and all that, which they shouldn't. They really shouldn't. I mean, I'm gone this way. I don't even think I even want to go this way yet. I wanted to go down into Hetton Centre. I mean, for those who don't know, Hetton Hall is where I live. It's just a little bit of a history lesson out. It's just a small mining community, ex-mining community, because we used to mine the coal. We did, along with other small communities around the northeast of England. I've lived here like 37 years and that, but it's not the point. I'm not 37, I'm only 21, if that. I mean, that's the thing. Like, I did release like a video like back in July, I think. I don't remember, which is still a long time ago. And that, but as this is, the only reason I'm out today is because I was saving a life. I mean, it was just a small life, but a life is a life. And like I said, all life is precious. And so I thought I'll whip out the phone and do another video. But you know, it's your boy, Kaiwen Way. Anyway. I mean, I know I tend to go quiet every now and then, but it's because I'm thinking of like what to say, what to vlog, and whatnot. And now I've vlogged a few trays that was broken due to the high wind and that. Well, yeah, that was another pause, because I do seriously feel uncomfortable streaming. Recording files and talking into the camera whilst I'm outside in public, because like I say, I'm not used to it. I mean, I suppose if I had like other people to travel around with, I would probably still record, but until I get more used to it, it's just a case of trying to get myself out there more, which at the moment I'm not. And also it's a case of like I'm not able to get far yet until I can get more money. I mean, that's not like me asking anybody for money, because I don't like to. It's just a case of like when I get money, I'll be able to go further. I mean, that was the thing, and all I got myself a selfie stick and all, so I can basically show me more of myself and more of my surroundings and that, but I forgot it. because I wasn't expecting to make another video. But never mind. You see, I'm still looking around for other people and that. Like it says, I'm not used to it yet, because despite of how many years I've actually been on YouTube, still relatively new at making videos, making content. And then, I mean, yeah, every now and then I do stream. I am a gamer. Gamer tag is I'm an aged, even though people pronounces it as a mulget, because the mistake, the capital I, is being a lowercase L. But the way it goes. And then I am also in Discord as well. Like if you wanted an invite to Discord, even if it is just a talk, try and keep your mind occupied, not if you're going through some shitty situation like what I was going through. You can just inbox us on YouTube or something, ask for an invite, and I'll send you the link to my Discord channel. You know, and even if you want to play games with, I'll send you a link to. Again, I'll send you a link to my Discord channel, server, whatever they call it, and then you can join. So I'm not fussed. I'll talk to anybody. As long as people are alright with me, I'll be alright with them. You know what I mean? But yeah, the invite's out there anyway. Yeah. I mean, I do hope people do want to join me server, like, play games, help each other earn achievements and whatnot. Like I say, there's invites out there. Anybody wants to join, either comment below and or share the link, or inbox me. Again, I'll share the link. Or if I'm able to, I'll share the link in the description if YouTube will allow me, and people could just join that way. Like I said, you can either come in, have a chat, keep your mind busy, or you can come in and we can play games together, help each other earn achievements, have a bit of a crack, you know. Crows, noisy bastards. I mean, one day, like, I'll have to find somewhere abandoned, because it's one of the whole reasons why I created my YouTube channel, like channels, saying as though I can't still access my original YouTube channel, which is also a Kaiwen Way. The one I'm using at the moment is Kaiwen Way YT Plus, which I would like to access the original YouTube channel again, so I can start uploading on that instead of using the YT Plus one. And I can use the YT Plus one for other content, or just make it into like a vlog channel. I mean, I only put like YT Plus on the end, so just so when I'm uploading, people could just come along and join. Like they don't, so people don't get confused which one to go to. Oh, can it be abandoned? I say the door open. So I can say it, can it be abandoned? Maybe. Maybe. Can't be. And this is curiosity. No, can't be. I'm sure that goes into the sawmill, which still gets used. And maybe we'll walk away from it. We'll walk away from it temporarily, and maybe keep quiet though. Keep it quiet. Maybe if we come back later on, maybe still be open, and providing there's no cameras around, so I tend to get wrong for trespassing. Maybe we can actually go in later on, explore the place. Providing the doors are still open. It's an idea, isn't it? So I can actually do some abandoned exploration for once. And that's why I created the challenge for it, so I can do exploration, like haunted and exploration videos. And it's like it says, I'm a gamer as well, which I do try to stream every now and then. Which my gamer tag is I'm an idiot, which I will explain the reason behind the gamer tag in a later video. Anyway, this is where I'm going to part with. You know the way. You know the way if you need help. You know the way to true happiness. And you know the way to take care of yourself. This is me signing off. Goodbye.